thumbs up for you. Do I think it's a cute outfit? Yes, I definitely do. I mean, it's white with lining at the bottom. Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to you as well, and I hope you do stick around and subscribe to my channel. But as you probably saw by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Temu try on haul, and this is going to be vacation inspired outfits. So I got a little bit of clothes and accessories and we're going to try it on today. So hopefully this video gives you some ideas on what to wear if you are going on a vacation soon, and also if you don't have a vacation plan, hopefully this inspires you to finally take that vacation. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the outfits that I got, and then we're going to go ahead and try it on. So firstly, we have like this beautiful floral tropical dress. And I'm so obsessed with it because I love the colors. And then I love like the floral details on it. It's like giving very tropical. It's really cute. Let me just say that I am a size large on Temu. So most of these outfits are a size large. So just for reference. And then secondly, I got this two-piece set. So it's just like a white two-piece set, and then it comes with a skirt. So first of all, the material is quite nice, but it doesn't have any kind of lining. And you know, with white, you sort of do need some lining, unless you just want to wear shapewear at the bottom. Otherwise, it's giving like see-through. So we'll see when I try it on, but already off back, this is not my favorite outfit. And then next, we got another two-piece. And I'm already obsessed with this. I haven't even tried it on. So this is the skirt. How cute. And it has like a cutout on the side. You guys will see what I mean when I try it on. And then I'm a little confused at the top because I have no idea how this is supposed to be. I guess it's supposed to be like an open back situation. I don't know. I'll have to figure out when I try it on. We're gonna move on. This is like a casual set. It looks a little big to me. And then you get the shirt with it. I'm assuming it's supposed to be oversized, but we'll see when we try it on. It's very much giving like safari vibes to me. And then we have another outfit. Oh, I love this. So this is like a one piece. So how cute is that? It's giving like designer vibes without the price tag. How cute is this though? And it comes with a skirt. This is really quite nice. Cause I've seen these two-piece outfits before, and then the skirt would be just like a small little scarf situation, and I wasn't feeling that. But how cute is this? Like, I'm excited to try this on. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this on my vacation if it does fit, but we'll see how it looks. So we're gonna move on. I actually forgot what I've ordered. Oh, so this is another two-piece set. I really don't like the material. I'm not feeling it, guys. Like, I thought the two-piece was cute, but I'm not feeling the material already. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the skirt, and it has like a little slit over here. But I'm not feeling the velour situation. Is that how you pronounce it? Anyway, you guys, like, we're gonna move on. So that's the end of the clothing haul. I got some accessories and I got a pair of shoes too, so let me show you. This is just like a pair of wedges. So this looks kind of small. That's so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love this, but I'm gonna be honest, this looks really small. I did size up. I'm usually a size 38, but this is a 39, and look how small it is. I can already see this is not gonna fit. So I would recommend that you probably size up by 2 if you don't want it to look like your feet is way too big for the shoes. And then I also got a headband. It's like giving boho beach inspired. I don't really wear headbands like that because with me it's like a hit or miss depending on how my hair is acting. And usually my hair don't act right. But I thought this was really cute and it was giving like really like beach boho vibes, and I was just really feeling it. Like I'm really feeling it. I really like this and I probably would wear this out. They do have other colors as well, so if you are interested in getting that. And then I also got a pair of sunglasses because like no outfit is complete for your summer vacation without a pair of shades. And how cute, you guys. Like I am really feeling this. I am loving for this. I've been wanting a pair of like bigger shades, but that's not too big, but not too small. So now that I've shown you everything that we got, we're gonna go ahead and try it on. So this is the first outfit and it's this floral dress. And let me just warn you, it is giving body yaddy yaddy. It's like a bodycon dress. It's quite long, which I do like. The only annoying thing is I wish it had like lining at the bottom, but other than that, I am loving for this dress, you guys. This might be my favorite outfit, but let's try on the others and see. So we're gonna move on to the next outfit. Okay, so this is the next outfit. Let me show you guys. So it has like this slit that comes up to here, which is a little bit risky, but if that's your thing, it's your thing. Even though I like it, I feel like I would probably close it up or stitch it a little bit so it doesn't show too much. The top feels a little bit uncomfortable, to be honest. It's probably because this part is too big for me and there's no way to adjust it. The material is quite nice as well, but as usual with Temu, it seems like they don't like to put lining on their clothing. I will say I do like that the string sort of covers that a little bit, but if you're gonna be going out, it's gonna be showing everywhere and I do not like that. If I do wear it out, I'll probably wear a shorts under or maybe some kind of shapewear or something, just to like not have everything out when I walk or when I move or when the wind blows. So other than that, I really like this outfit and I would definitely recommend it. Next we have another two-piece set, and let me just say this is not my favorite from the wall, but this is what it looks like. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the material or the color that kind of puts me off, or the gold situation. Yeah, it just doesn't suit my body, I think. I don't know, it's just not my favorite from this wall. Do I think it's a cute outfit? Yes, I definitely do, and I'm sure it will look banging on you, but not for me. Let me show you back. I don't know what it is. I just can't put my finger on it, but I just don't like it. Let me know what you think down below. So we're gonna move on to the next outfit. So this is the next outfit and it's this two-piece. Like, let me just say, I do like the material, but I feel like they should have put lining. I mean, it's white. Put lining at the bottom. Come on. And then second of all, the top is a little too short, so it gives a little underboob situation, which I don't like. And then I feel like the top is a little big too, other than the length of it. So if I were to size up to cover everything, it would be too big on top. I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah. If you do have smaller boobs, it'd probably be nicer on you. If you do get it, maybe get it in a different color. I think that's where I messed up. Maybe in a different color, it won't be see-through. Just keep in mind about the boob situation. If you are on the bigger side, just keep that in mind. But anyway, we're gonna move on to the next outfit. Okay, so this is the next outfit, and it is the one piece with a skirt. And let me just say, I am not really feeling this. Let me just show you the whole outfit before I tell you why. On camera, it looks like it goes nicely together, but in person, like if I look in the mirror, it looks like it doesn't really match that well, like it's clashing with each other. Aside from that, like it has this wire thing by the bra, and it's kind of weird. It's sitting weird. It's like my boobs are over here, the wire is like right here. So I don't know if it's because I had to size up probably. I feel like even if I adjust it, it's just gonna sit lower, but it's not gonna give me that support. But it is wired, it is padded, which is quite nice. And it covers everything, it's not cheeky at all. So it does have potential. It is a cute one piece with a skirt, but it's just not for me. I'm not really feeling it. So we are almost at the end. We got one more outfit left. If you have enjoyed this video so far, make sure that you do give it a like. So we're gonna move on to the next outfit. This is the last outfit, and this is the two-piece set. I think this is a quite versatile outfit. You can probably like tie it up too. So however you want to wear it, and not just for vacation, just for every day if you just want to be cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. This is the last outfit, and as usual, I will be leaving all the links to the outfits down below if it is still available. I would definitely leave it down below, and I also got a 30% coupon code for you guys if it's your first time shopping from Temu, and I do have a referral link where you can join if you haven't joined Temu yet, so you can get some free coupons as well. So let me know what you think, and let me know what your favorite outfit is, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like on your way out, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.